Welcome to my channel. My name is Shadeless. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for future videos. Furthermore, I'm also a streamer, so make sure you tune in here for future streams and also follow me on TikTok for my short content. Trying to do your best to provide for your family? I understand. I'm a dad and I'm a husband. I spent some time trying to find some of the best meat products out there. I had a hard time doing that. We have local farmers, we have local grocery stores, co-ops, so on and so forth. But I had a hard time finding grass-fed meat. So I started off on an adventure online to try and see if I could find some type of grass-fed meat. Well, I ended up finding ButcherBox. ButcherBox is a way for you and me to get access to grass-fed meat. Today we're going to be looking at ButcherBox. We're going to get a feel for how it is and furthermore, how it tastes. Today is simply an unboxing, but I do have experience with their steaks. The steaks themselves are very tender, they're very good, they taste good. They're a little bit tough because they are grass-fed, but nonetheless, I really enjoyed them. Size-wise, they're 10-ounce steaks, they're thick, they're juicy, especially if you cook them right, and more or less, I will be buying them again. Let's dive into the unboxing and take a look at the details.
Now, our plans for future videos is that we're gonna come out with some, I would say 2 to 3 month updates, letting you know how we like the service, how the meat was, all of that. In today's box, we went with 2 chuck roasts, 6 New York strip steaks, sirloin, like chopped up sirloin bits, and then all the rest is chicken. That's what we thought would go far for us and our family of 5. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Let's see what happens. Make sure everything's in frame. All right, so when you open up the box, it says the following. High quality meat you can trust. Warning, this box may contain dry ice. Okay, gotta be careful with that dry ice. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, there's the dry ice. Everything is still frozen solid. Let me go ahead and get some gloves. Okay, the box is now open. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of this bad boy here. All that stuff, and it looks like that was actually opened and broken up inside, if I'm not mistaken. Let me go check that out. Oh yeah, the dry ice bag is actually opened up. Interesting, interesting. That could have been a little bit dangerous. You get a total of 12 items, and then when you add 1 thing of chicken, it's 3 1-pound chicken breasts. Go ahead and take these all out here. Put them in the freezer. All right, and then here are the New York strips. Nice, lovely. Make sure that everything is sealed. Everything is still solid. I'm so excited to dig into these New York strips, man. Let's go. These are decently sized too. It's no joke. They look good. You can tell that they're grass-fed too because of the collar. Nice. And with our box, we actually got, 2 pounds of chicken per box for 1 year. So I'm really excited. Here's some more chicken. Everything is looking sealed, nothing is leaking. Everything is rock solid. And with our pack, they also gave us some bacon, bro. Here is the chuck. Is this a little chuck? Or these are the bits? I think these are the little sirloin bits. Yep, these are the grass-fed sirloin tips. Okay, look at those chucks. Yeah, all of it's grass-fed. Let's go. And here's the free pack that they gave us, a 2-pound pack of chicken. And here's another shot of the chuck. And then you got your bacon. Oh, snaps. Look at the bacon. Applewood smoked uncured bacon. Oh, yeah. Excited to dive into those bad boys. And then we have some more grass-fed beef sirloin tips. Nice. Nonetheless, guys, that was the unboxing experience. I give it about an 8 out of 10. I'm kind of sad that the dry ice was kind of broken and all over the place. You just never know what could have happened if I didn't have gloves. So if you are in my shoes, make sure you wear gloves. And I'm glad that they had the warning label nonetheless. But other than that, the site itself is very easy to use. And I'll go ahead and show you some clips on that as well. All right, here we are on ButcherBox.com. This site is beautifully laid out, very simple to use. If this is your first time, bada bing, bada boom, you're confronted with a get started on the left side here. And on the right side, you have the option to prefer to talk, and they literally walk you through your plan. So for example, if you want to go up to the top right corner, we can choose your plan. You can type in your email, because most of the time they give you awesome offers right away. nothanks@gmail.com. And here we are with the plans. You have your custom plan, the one that we did, where you can literally just customize the plan to your liking. You can do a curated plan where you can choose your meat types, and then they'll pick specific cuts for you in standard pack sizes.
and then they have 2 different sizes available. And then you just have a basic plan. And they say, get our selection of beef, pork, and chicken in smaller pack sizes. Good for smaller households and those who eat less meat. And then below there's like learn more options where they go into more detail. So we're going to choose a custom plan here. We're going to hit next. So on this screen you get a chance to choose your box size, and along with that you get to choose how often it's delivered. You can just change the frequency here. You can go to 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and 8 weeks. We're going to do a classic box every 6 weeks. As you can see here, it says 9 to 14 pounds of high quality meat. We're going to hit next. And from here, you literally just go down each section. So they got beef, chicken, pork, seafood, and more, and you choose what you want to add to the box. So for example, I want a tri-tip. Boom, tri-tip added, 1 out of 6 selected. I want the New York strip steaks. There you go. New York strip steaks are selected, 2 out of 6. Let's go down to the chicken section. We're going to add some boneless, skinless breasts. There we go. Let's add 2 of those. We got 2 more selections after this. This is the seafood section here. This is their current pork section. And then this is the more category. With more, these are just other fun favorites, other flavors. We're going to go ahead and add the hot dogs and some Italian sausage. Now, these sections can change. They just vary on availability and then also what they're pushing. If I go next, some of the items actually go to add-on items. For example, ground beef is an add-on item, apple Gouda sausage is an add-on item, etc. These are things that you can add to your order every 6 weeks. And then on top of it, they give you more deals. So you can get $2 off this flank steak. You can get lobster bundles, so on and so forth. They just have so much stuff that they're throwing at you. Oh man, they have a ButcherBox Bacon Blast. I didn't even see that, for 30 bucks. At Costco, you can get one of these for like 16, 17 bucks. So that's a heck of a good deal. 10-ounce packs, bro. I might do that now. Oh, they got chicken nuggets. See, I didn't even know they had gluten-free chicken nuggets. That is wonderful. I have to tell my wife about that. And then with checkout, you literally just fill out your checkout. They give you the estimate, and bada bing, bada boom, you're set and ready to go. Free shipping for life. That is a W. And the cool part about this as well is you can pause or cancel at any time. If you have any questions about ButcherBox and the ordering process, let me know in the comment section below. We're more than happy to answer any questions that you have. I'll give you guys an update. I would say in about 2 to 3 months, we'll see how it goes. Furthermore, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll see how everything goes. Take care and have a blessed day.